So as soon as we came here, we met the neighbor, and she was awesome, and we knew in our guts that this would be a good place to start. This is a 2-acre parcel, so big enough to grow all our own plants and have our big tiny home here.
It ended up being 2 tents with a bridge that joined them together, where they share a kitchen and a bathroom. It's really simple.
It's just such a gift to be in this beautiful place and be able to do this epic project together.